Hey everyone, we all know that BMW is a very special automaker. It's so special actually that it requires these adapters in order for you to be able to jack up your car. And the reason being is the following. These adapters slide into these little pockets here, which allow for, I guess, easier lifting, and it allows BMW to charge you more for specialized equipment. This is what it looks like once it's jacked up. Now, a lot of times if you go to your trusted mechanic, they don't necessarily have these adapters handy. So what they do then is they just use these regular jacks against these receivers in the bottom, and a lot of times they damage them. And this is what the damage looks like. As you can see, this one is actually particularly bad. You see this one's fallen off, it's broken off. Yes, you can still use these adapters, but the more times you use it without these adapters, the more these things will damage, eventually crack, and you're going to be forced to replace them. What if I told you that here at Tommy L Garage we have developed a solution to this problem, one that gives you a permanent peace of mind? And the solution is the following. I've sourced these receivers and I permanently attached these adapters to them. That's right, I've actually done a lot of research and I found these skinny adapters that won't stick out that much, and I simply used a screw on each side to drill through them and attach them permanently to the body. So now no matter which shop you go to, you'll have a peace of mind knowing that they won't be damaging these receivers, and they won't need any special adapters to jack up your car, because your car will always be ready for the jack. Replacing these adapters is pretty straightforward. You stick a screwdriver in there and just pry open. Obviously not against the body of the car. And it comes right off. And then once you take it out, you simply take the new adapter, stick it in place, and voila, you now have a permanently attached adapter to your jacking point. This means that this is no longer necessary. You can simply get under the car and simply jack it up. And just to show you how well it works, again, the jack is pushing against the adapter is sitting gently on the receiver, and you are good to go. Now once we lower the car, let's inspect the damage. So these pads do get a bit deformed, but again, they stay permanently attached, and they give you a peace of mind of knowing that no matter where you go, you'll have permanently attached jacking points. And in case you worry about them being visible, I'm going below the car line, not visible at all. Maybe from this angle they stick out slightly, but unless you're getting down on the floor, this is the only time it'll bug you. These jacks will also work with any stand out there, even the cheap ones from Pep Boys, as I shall now demonstrate. Let's move the camera away, and you can see that the car is only resting on these stands. As you can see, the car is completely in the air, supported by these homemade adapters. Look at this. And just in case you're not fully convinced, these are the receivers I removed on the other side. Look how damaged they are. So the car just sat on these stands for about 2 hours as I was doing my oil change and whatnot, and check this out. Yes, it gets deformed, obviously, but the piece stays in place. How awesome is that? And this is an imprint that a jack like this would leave. As you can see, this was very easy to do, and anyone can do it themselves. If you want me to make you a set, I'll be more than happy to do it. I actually have about 16 extras that I've made, and I have them sitting in my garage. So hit me up at Got 6 Speed gmail.com. If you want me to send you one, or you can easily make it yourself. Source these on Amazon, source these pucks on Amazon, and some screws on Amazon as well. I'm gonna link everything in the description. So again, it's a very, very easy DIY. Or if you want a ready product to be sent to you, I'll be more than happy to make them and send them to you, because I like these things. These adapters are compatible with most BMWs out there. So it's not only for the M3, it's not only for the 3 Series, 5 Series, 2 Series, 7 Series use the same adapters. So keep that in mind. And on that note, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Let me know what you think about this invention down in the comments below. Bye-bye.